Hey everybody, this is Richard. It's been a while since I've done one of these trade videos, and I wanted to do one just highlighting a trade that we had right here on the 26th of March. So this was from a few days ago. And what you'll see here is that we're gonna end up buying as the market closes. And when I start the video clip, you'll see it. And then we just exit when the market opens. So all this strategy is doing is holding overnight, and it ends up capturing a really nice gain. But I just want to show you because I did have the camera rolling as this trade was executed. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so right here you'll see that we ended up buying, and over here on the left, top left, you can see the matrix. This just shows that we were up about $1,100 when I started recording this. And this was recorded in the morning of the 27th, so after we had bought the previous day. And what you'll see is that eventually the market is going to open at 7:30 Mountain Standard, so basically 9:30 Eastern. You'll see the trade occur because you'll see the market open, and you can see it's just moving around a little bit as it's as we're just waiting. But eventually you see the market open, and there we go. So the equity market's just open, and so you see us get out. And what you see initially is that the market just sells off, and so it sells off, and then it ends up rebounding though, and ends up rallying towards the end of the day. But again, I just wanted to show you this short video. It's just highlighting the overnight trade that we had. And so that's just this one trade that we had. And later on in the day, what you see is we have another trade right here where we end up buying as the market is closing, and then we end up getting out when it hits our target right up here. And so this was a nice gain of roughly about 8 points, 8 S&P points. That's about $410 roughly is what we made on that trade. But again, this is just a fully automated trading system. If you're looking for kind of a fully black box trading system that's auto executed for you by brokers, then I think we've got a great product here. And just remember though, the risk disclosure, that past performance is not indicative of future performance. Trading futures and options involves substantial risk of loss, not appropriate for all investors. And I'm not a CTA, I'm what they call a third-party developer. Again, algorithms are traded under a letter of direction. Thanks again for watching though. Would love to answer any questions you have. So reach out to me, and I'd be happy to jump on a call and again, answer any questions that you might have. So thanks again for watching though, and have a great day. Bye-bye.